Welcome back to my channel. Luxury drive car, the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Grand Vitara, a compact SUV that's been turning heads with its blend of style, performance, and advanced features. Whether you're considering an upgrade or simply curious about the latest in automotive innovation, this comprehensive review will provide you with all the insights you need. Introduction to the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Grand Vitara. The Maruti Suzuki Grand Vitara has long been a staple in the compact SUV segment, known for its reliability and versatility. The 2025 iteration takes this legacy a step further, introducing a host of enhancements that cater to modern drivers' needs. From its sleek exterior design to its tech-packed interior, the new Grand Vitara promises an elevated driving experience. Exterior design and aesthetics. At first glance, the 2025 Grand Vitara exudes a commanding presence. Its dimensions stand at 4,345 mm in length, 1,795 mm in width, and 1,645 mm in height, with a wheelbase of 2,600 mm. These proportions not only give it a robust stance but also contribute to ample interior space. The front fascia features a bold grille flanked by sleek LED projector headlights, while the sculpted lines along the body enhance its aerodynamic profile. The rear is accentuated by stylish LED tail lamps and a subtle spoiler, adding to its sporty appeal. Interior comfort and features. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that seamlessly blends luxury with functionality. The dual-tone seats provide a plush seating experience, complemented by a sophisticated dashboard layout. Ambient lighting sets the mood, and the panoramic sunroof offers an open, airy feel to the interior. For tech enthusiasts, the Grand Vitara doesn't disappoint. It boasts a touch-sensitive infotainment system with Bluetooth, USB, and O compatibility, ensuring you stay connected on the go. Additional conveniences include keyless entry with a smart key, automatic climate control, and cruise control for those long drives. Performance and engine specifications. Under the hood, the 2025 Grand Vitara offers a range of engine options to suit diverse driving preferences. 1.5 liters mild hybrid petrol engine. This engine delivers a balanced performance with a displacement of 1,462 cc, producing a maximum power of 101.64 bhp at 6,000 revolutions per minute and a torque of 136.8 Nm at 4,400 revolutions per minute. It's available with a 5-speed manual transmission or a 6-speed automatic transmission, catering to both traditional and modern driving styles. 1.5 liters petrol hybrid engine. For those prioritizing fuel efficiency, this hybrid engine offers a displacement of 1,490 cc, ensuring an impressive mileage of up to 27.97 km/L. 1.5 liters CNG engine. Designed for the eco-conscious driver, the CNG variant provides a mileage of 26.6 km/kg, making it both economical and environmentally friendly. The Grand Vitara's ground clearance stands at 210 mm, allowing it to tackle various terrains with ease. Whether navigating city streets or exploring off-road paths, this SUV ensures a smooth and controlled ride. Safety features. Safety is paramount in the 2025 Grand Vitara. It comes equipped with 6 airbags, providing comprehensive protection for all occupants. The 360-degree parking camera aids in maneuvering tight spots, while the Electronic Stability Program (ESP) ensures optimal control during dynamic driving conditions. Additional safety measures include ABS with EBD, hill hold assist, ISOFIX child seat anchors, and rear parking sensors, all contributing to a secure driving environment. Variants and pricing. Maruti Suzuki offers the 2025 Grand Vitara in multiple variants to cater to a wide audience. Sigma, Priced at a superscript 110.99 lakh, this base model offers essential features without compromising on quality. Delta, starting at a superscript 112.75 lakh. The Delta variant adds conveniences like an automatic transmission option and enhanced infotainment features. Zeta, at a superscript 116.46 lakh. The Zeta variant introduces additional comfort features and advanced safety technologies. Alpha, priced at a superscript 118.23 lakh. The Alpha variant offers premium features, including leather seats and advanced driver assistance systems. Alpha Plus Hybrid CVT, the top-tier variant at a superscript 119.97 lakh combines luxury with hybrid efficiency, featuring a continuously variable transmission for a seamless driving experience. These prices position the Grand Vitara competitively within the compact SUV segment, offering a blend of affordability and premium features. Fuel efficiency. Fuel efficiency remains a standout feature of the 2025 Grand Vitara. Manual petrol delivers an air-claimed mileage of 21.11 km/L, making it ideal for daily commutes. Automatic petrol offers a mileage of 20.58 km/L, balancing performance with economy. Hybrid achieves an impressive 27.97 km/L, perfect for those long drives with fewer fuel stops. CNG provides 26.6 km/kg, catering to drivers seeking cost-effective and eco-friendly options. These figures underscore Maruti Suzuki's commitment to delivering vehicles that are both performance-oriented and fuel-efficient. Conclusion: the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Grand Vitara stands out as a compelling choice in the compact SUV market. Its harmonious blend of stylish design, advanced technology, robust performance, and comprehensive safety features make it a versatile vehicle suited for a variety of driving needs. Whether you're navigating urban landscapes or venturing off the beaten path, the Grand Vitara promises a driving experience that's both enjoyable and reliable. Thank you for joining us on this in-depth exploration of the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Grand Vitara. Stay tuned for more reviews and insights into. Please subscribe to my channel and share with like. Please subscribe.